This is ratios part 6, and we're going to illustrate all this to you. Alright, we have a ratio of A over B equaling C over D. If that's true, then also B over A equals D over C, which is called an invertendo. Invertendo. Well, that's a trippy little name. Alright, now what if you have A over B equaling C over D? Okay, so you have that right there. Then A over C equals B over D. Well, that's called an alternendo. Alternendo. Yeah, that's going to be a tough one. Well, let me show you how both of these work. Okay, the first one we're going to talk about is the invertendo. That's a big name. Basically, it says this: if you have a proportion of 2/3 and a proportion of 4/6, if you turn these upside down. Do you remember when I talked about reciprocal numbers? Okay, we're going to do the reciprocal here. We're going to do the reciprocal here. 3/2 is the reciprocal of 2/3, and 4/6 is the reciprocal of 6/4. So 3/2 equals 6/4, just as much as 2/3 equals 4/6, and that's invertendo. Okay. Let's go on here. We have 2/3 equaling 4/6 once again. Okay, and then we have 2/4 equaling 3/6. How did we get that? Well, we exchanged the 3 and the 4. The 4 went down here, the 3 went up there. So now we have 2/4 equaling 3/6, and as you know, 2/4 is 1/2, and 3/6 is... Yes, it is. It's still 1/2, because 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 2 is 6, so it's 1/2, and 2/4 is 1/2 as well. Alright, but now, I bet you saw this, and you're saying, I remember that from Euclid's Elements. If you don't, you need to go back to Euclid's Elements, Book 5, and you'll see this componendo. I had talked about this. Alright. How does this one work? You have A over B equaling C over D. Then you have A plus B over B equaling C plus D over D. Alright. We have 2/3 equaling 4/6. Well, 2 plus 3, this is the A and the B here, 2 plus 3 over 3 equals 4 plus 6 over 6. Okay? We're going to add the 4 and the 6 together, we're going to add the 2 and the 3 together, and as you can see, 2 plus 3 over 3, 4 plus 6 over 6. Well, 5/3 definitely equals 10/6, because 2/4, well, you're going to divide this by 2, and 6 divided by 2 is 3, and 10 divided by 2 is 5, so you got 5/3 again. And that's how all that works. Alright. I will tell you more in a future video. Stay tuned.